So I have this water bottle that is lying around, and it doesn't have the strap anymore. Yeah, it's supposed to be on this side and connects to the top end cup, and it's supposed to be in this and here for the cap nut to go away or go missing. Also, I never use this water bottle for the meantime because I don't want the cap to be missing when I go trekking and go jogging. So for this day, we will do the strap and repair this water bottle for us to use it again. So let's get to our drawing board and get to it. So here we open the Fusion 360, and I think I will not make a new one. I will just open the existing file that I made last time. But as you can see, this design is failed. So I need to change that one again. So we open this water bottle cup strap V1. And as you can see here, this is the existing one that I have made, and I will make a new one because I think this design is a failure, but some of the dimensions of this is I will follow. So from here now I will just make a time lapse how I do it, and you can just follow along, or you can pause if you want to make if you want to use the dimensions I used here. Here is our final design, and strap 1 is the first one that I did, and then the second one is strap 2, which is the final one that I designed. And we just need to save this as an STL file for us to prepare for 3D printing in Cura. Then we finished the design, and I've come out with 4 different iterations for this. The first one is this one. It's still thin because when I'm printing it I had to stop it because I don't like how it looks like. So if I put this here, this one doesn't fit until the neck, so it's fail. And when you do like this neck, I would say this top part of it is quite long, and if I put this part here, it's okay, but this doesn't fit, so I need to change that again and do the second one, which is this one. Now the problem is I tried to fit it until the neck, but when it comes on this part of the elongated, the largest part of the neck, it doesn't fit anymore. So when I try to push it in with a screwdriver, it snaps, and it's another fail. And other one, I like the length of this strap, but when I put it in, say when I put that one in, the hole is very big, it's not fitting, so I had to change that one again, and that's the second failed design. And the next one, since this one snaps, I tried to make an open link for me to easily put this in. Okay, so this part, that's the how it goes in, and then when I put this one, the fit is okay, but when I try to use it and put a water, if I put a water there, this goes off like this. When it's full of water, you cannot carry it, and it will just comes out. So oops, so it's another failure, and that's the third failure. And then the last one I did is this one, which is the one that we have designed in Fusion 360. So now I designed an open, but I will glue it later. That's why I put something like this. I will glue this one later with a strong glue, and then I will put this like this and glue this part. Glue this part, and then I will need to put this like this and glue also this part. Okay, so this is the last design that I have made, and hope you like it. If you want to make a design like this, let me know. So that's it for this week, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for you to be notified every time I upload new videos. Of course, if you have questions or comments, don't forget to ask in the comment section below. See you guys in the next video. As always, keep creating. Cheers.